Guys, these are the all journals that I have kept since like 4 or 5 years. I have been journaling since I didn't even know कि इसको journaling बोलते हैं. तो like quite young age मेरे पास बहुत सारी डायरीज थी जो मेरे घर पे पड़ी हैं इंडिया में. आई थिंक मुझे बैठ के बात कर लेनी चाहिए. Alright, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं how to journal. Well, I have seen most of people don't know journaling, and that's the reason middle of the way they quit. Most people don't quit journaling because they're lazy. They quit because nobody has told them, explained them how to actually do it. And I'm telling you, if you are only serious and want results out of journaling, only watch this video. Otherwise, skip it. If you have ever tried journaling and quit after a few days or felt like you are writing everything but nothing is changing, this video is definitely for you. This video is not going to be aesthetic at all for sure, but I will definitely show you how to journal step by step. और if you wonder how to journal, अगर आपको कुछ पता ही नहीं है कैसे करना है, you feel overwhelmed, you feel unclear about your life, your decision, this video is definitely for you, and watch till the end. Let us start with what journaling actually is. So most of us have that assumption about journaling that it's about writing everything beautifully, writing what you feel inside. So let me be clear about that. It's not about feeling being positive. It's definitely not about fixing everything in one sitting. However, अगर मैं आपको एक simple words में कहना चाहूँ कि what journaling actually is, it's simply thinking on paper. Whatever going here, just writing down everything here. Most of our problems feel heavy because they live in our head. And since you start writing on the paper, on your iPad or on your phone, anywhere, it becomes clear, like the storm has gone now. They become sentences. और जब हम sentences पढ़ते हैं, तब समझने में ज़्यादा आसानी रहती है. And that's where the clarity begins. Well, मैं ज़्यादा बढ़ा चढ़ा के नहीं बोलूँगी, but to be honest, it really works. I have been doing since very long time. Like मैं बहुत छोटी थी. When I was in hostel, we used to, me, my friends and I were used to write diaries, what we are feeling, not to feel positive, but as I have grown up, I have realized कि journaling actually में क्या impact देती है life में. अगर आपको एक goal set करना है, अगर आपको कुछ achieve करना है, your aims, it really helps. It really does. Now the next question is why journaling works. So I'll explain you this thing in very basic 3 steps. First है emotional, दूसरा है mental, and third is very important, directional. Because without direction, आप कुछ अचीव नहीं कर सकते. Emotionally, it helps you to release what you have been holding in. Mentally, it helps you to slow down what you have been overthinking. ज़्यादातर लोग जो stuck feel करते हैं, the reason is overthinking, and it really helps you to slow down. और most important, जैसे कि मैंने कहा, directional. Without that, journaling is impossible, and that's the reason people don't get the results out of journaling. It helps you to see what's the main reason that you are stuck on the particular thing. मेरी एक बात अच्छे से दिमाग में बिठा लेना कि journaling doesn't solve your problems, but it helps you to see them clearly what the problem is. ज़्यादातर हम तो डिसीजन इसलिए नहीं ले पाते because हमें पता ही नहीं है कि करना क्या है. Like we are unclear. We don't know what's the actual cause of that. तो वो चीज हमें हेल्प करती है कि हम खुद ही टैकल कर लें वो प्रॉब्लम को. दैट्स वेयर जर्नलिंग हेल्प्स. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि what kind of journaling should I do according to my situation, according to my goals, my problems? There are such types of journaling that I would recommend different situations के लिए. Type 1 is brain dump, and that is equal to mental cleanup. Especially when you are new for the journaling, start here. No fixing, no structure, no thinking. Just dump everything, whatever you're thinking. Because you're not trying to be deep, you're just trying to unload your mind. Especially when you're feeling blank during the journaling, that's what you need. Then it comes type 2, emotional journaling. This journaling for the days that feels heavy. For example, the prompts can be what I'm feeling, what triggered it, what do I need right now. And this kind of journaling is not about feeling better immediately. You're not trying to fix like right away. You are just trying to help yourself. It's just about being honest to yourself. Because if you're not being honest to yourself, nothing is going to change, nothing is going to help you. Because you're lying to yourself. And the tip is you can't heal something that you are avoiding. For an example, when I was in school, I was not doing well in math and I used to avoid it a lot. Like मुझे तो आता ही नहीं है मैं कर भी लूंगी तो क्या फायदा I used to really avoid it, the classes, the assignments and everything. But one of my teacher told me that if you're not going to face it, you're not going to find what exactly causing it कि क्यों मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. And I wasn't pro to be honest, but still I accept it. At least I give a chance. I was honest with myself. I didn't avoid it. I tried to accept it. Now comes type 3, reflective journaling. Here where growth really starts. जब आप अब जर्नलिंग अपनी शुरू ही कर दी है, now it's really making you growth. Now you know what you feel, how you feel, why you feel. And this is where journaling becomes self-coaching. You just start asking yourself what I am avoiding, what I am learning. And this is so powerful, believe me this. But ये बात याद रखना, if you are beginner, don't start here. That's the point where you quit. Because you are trying to be pro at the beginning. Now, the type 4 is goal oriented journaling. This journaling is game changing. Why? I'll tell you. It might sound a little bit complex, but once you are in journaling, you will definitely understand that. In this journaling, there are 4 things that you really need to consider is first, your goal, why, fear, and one small action. Now, since you have written everything, these 4 things, now you know what is your goal, why you want to achieve that goal, and what's the fear that is holding you to achieve that goal, and what's a small action that you can take to achieve that goal. Now, most people fail not because they're lazy, because they're emotionally unclear. उनको पता ही नहीं है कि हमें करना क्या है. And that's why this journaling really connects your goal to your fear. आपको पता चलता है कि कौन सा डर मुझे रोक रहा है, उसके लिए मैं क्या करूं जो वो हट जाए, and then I can achieve my goal. And this is where journaling changes your behavior. Because now you have mastered how to journal. Now I'll tell you how to start journaling step by step. And make sure guys, whatever I'm explaining you, just note it down because it really helps. It helped me. It will really help you. पहली बात तो आपको ज्यादा तामझाम वाली चीजें बिल्कुल भी नहीं चाहिए. I'm going to tell you something that really nobody talks about. That you don't have to journal every single day. You don't need to have motivation to journal every single day. That's okay. Not every days are same. Third is you definitely don't need those aesthetic pages because clarity comes before consistency. ये बात हमेशा याद रखना. अब क्वेश्चन आता है why most people fail in journaling. Let me normalize something that if journaling feels very heavy or boring, I know it really feels sometimes that way, but that doesn't mean that it's not working for you and you're doing something wrong. It simply means sometimes you are just doing too much journaling. I have seen those people. Well, I used to do that too. And at a point we feel very bored. Well, there are some common mistakes that we do and that makes journaling boring. First is trying to journal perfectly. हमको सब कुछ परफेक्ट चाहिए कि अगर मैंने जर्नलिंग कर दिया है तो मुझे मेरा गोल भी चाहिए. आई हैव टू नो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग एंड लाइक वी जस्ट ट्राई टू बी परफेक्ट which you don't have to. Then what we do, expecting instant clarity कि अब तो मैंने लिख दिया है, अब तो मुझे क्लैरिटी होनी चाहिए कि मुझे क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. No, it doesn't mean. Once you start journaling, it doesn't mean the clarity comes immediately. You have to wait. You have to learn patience. फिर बात आती है when we only journal when we feel bad. मैंने ये चीज बहुत नोटिस की है कि people only write or journal something about when they're not feeling good. Of course you can journal when you're not feeling when क्या बोल रही हूँ मैं? Of course you can do journaling when you aren't feeling good. It really helps. That doesn't mean कि आप तभी जर्नल करो जब आपको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. जब आपको अच्छा लग रहा है तब भी करो. Journaling is supposed to feel supportive, not pressurizing. Well, apart from this, I'm going to tell you something, especially when you're feeling stuck. Write one prompt in your iPad on your notebook. If nothing changes for the next year, what hurts you the most? This question is very uncomfortable, but we have to ask this. You have to journal about this because it's uncomfortable and that's why it works. For example, when it comes to me, I want to buy my own house in 2027. तो मैंने उसके लिए मैंने ऑलरेडी कुछ गोल सेट कर दिए हैं. Now I am journaling कि what if I am not achieving that goal? तो मुझे ऑब्वियसली कितना हर्ट होगा. You just have to journal honestly, not dramatically. Now what I'm going to tell you, pause this video for 2 minutes and write one thing that avoids your attention. Last but not the least, I would say journaling is a conversation with yourself that you have been avoiding, that you have been postponing. Believe me, girls, you don't have to write more. You just have to be honest with yourself and write more clearer. And you can always come back to this video whenever the life feels noisy because I have really explained everything step by step that has helped me. It's not that मुझे किसी ने बताया है. These things that I have told you, I have been practicing since I was a teen girl. Because you already have the answer. Journaling just helps you to listen to yourself, to your unclear thoughts. I hope I will see you in your next video because मैंने ये वीडियो 50 साल बाद बनाई है. तो आई होप मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो जल्दी बनाऊं. Bye bye. And please share with your girlies because I want every girl to be successful in this year.